This dining table and chairs are made by Andrena Furniture and it's within their Pelham collection. We've got it on show here in a wood shade called Honey, which is a lacquered finish, but there's lots of other wood colours you can have. And the dining chair seats are in a cream fabric. To extend the table, you just pull one side of the tabletop and it opens up. The other side will open at the same time. It's got what's called a reciprocal action. And then unfold the leaf that's stored inside, lay it flat on the table, and then close the two sides of the table together again. And you've got a much bigger dining area. The actual table itself is held nice and tightly closed with some clasps that are underneath the table, just to stop it drifting apart at all. As you can see, it's got a nice chunky centre pedestal, and from that there are 4 legs that spur off it as well. So it's very, very stable. There's lots more furniture in the Pelham collection from Andrena. You've got sideboards and wall units, entertainment units, all sorts of occasional furniture as well. And the whole collection, many different wood shades as well. We've got plenty of Andrena furniture on our website, and as usual, we offer free delivery across mainland England, Wales and southern Scotland, and always with our keenest prices.